Hi everyone, I'm Haeyun from Korea University and this is my poster. The title is Search for CP-violating anomalous top coupling. The coupling is coming from the standard model modification of top and quark interaction. So how can we measure this? We define the CP observable whose asymmetry have linear relation between the coupling and its asymmetry. So here are our analysis plots, and we apply the kinematic solver to find out the momentum of top quarks from dielectronic TT bar channel. So we are planning to improve our result from the previous analysis, and thank you for your listening.
Hello everyone, this is Jayashri Padmanaban from Korea University, and this is my poster. It is divided into two parts. One, I'll explain about long-lived particle searches using HCAL timing, and then I'll talk about the beam halo background. And this is a model I would like to benchmark using this method, GMSB SUSI with long-lived Gluino, with non-prompt jets and large missing ET signature. And for the background, I have beam halo because you can see from here beam halos are almost parallel to the beam, meaning they have like widespread in eta and very narrow in phi, and they have associated energy hits in CSE chambers. Based on these two signatures, I used ABCD method. I see these two are uncorrelated, and the prediction and the observation observes very well, and we are good to go with the research. Thank you very much for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Mobina Tayyerani Charmchi. I'm from Iran. I'm studying at Kyungpook National University. So today I want to show you my poster, which is about Bose-Einstein Correlation in proton oxygen. So the main motivation is to study how the universe and matter behaved just a microseconds after Big Bang. So for the main thing that we do in this analysis is to examine the source radius and the correlation strength. For this, I have done two methods. One of them is data-driven method, and the other one is double Gaussian method. So you can see the results here. And yes, that's all. Thank you for watching.